In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the best workout tracker template on Notion. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just starting your journey, staying organized can greatly enhance your workout efficiency and help you track your progress seamlessly. Let's dive into setting up your very own workout tracker using Notion, which is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, notes, and, in this case, workouts. First, start by opening Notion on your device. Once you've got it up and running, you'll want to navigate to your space. This is essentially your personal or shared project space on Notion, where you manage all your tasks and templates. Just give it a click to enter. Now, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You should see an option labeled Templates. Clicking on this will open up a world of pre-designed templates that can save you time and effort. The templates are diverse and cater to various needs, so it's a wonderful way to get started without having to build a page from scratch. Once you're in the Templates section, you're going to want to type Workout Trainer into the search bar. This is a quick way to find the exact template that suits our need, a specialized workout tracker. After typing it in, you'll be presented with a selection of templates. Take your time and review the options. You'll notice there is a variety to choose from, so select the template that fits your style and workout regimen the best. When browsing, think about what features are most important for your workout tracking, like exercise types, scheduled routines, or progress tracking. Once you've decided on a template that looks perfect for your planning and tracking needs, click on Add. This will incorporate the template into your workspace where you can begin to customize and make it your own. For more personalized organization, click on Add to Private. If you prefer keeping your workout tracker separate from shared spaces, ensuring it's only visible to you. After you've added the template, you'll want to check it out in detail. Click on See Template to dive into the intricate details and begin customizing it further. This step is crucial as it allows you to modify any sections that don't quite align with your needs, ensuring the workout tracker is perfectly tailored to your routine. And that's it. You now have a customized workout tracker right in Notion. Remember, staying on top of your fitness goals is a lot easier when you have a robust system in place. This setup will help collect all your workout data in one convenient location, keeping you motivated and organized as you strive towards your fitness goals. Thanks for following along, and happy exercising!